Fermacell is a producer of gypsum fiber boards, and in total we have four factories in Europe. And we are part of the James Hardie Group. The problem in the process is that we have a lot of data available, and it's in a lot of different systems. And not always these systems communicate with each other, and if you want to use this data you have to do a lot of manual actions. And then we found out, okay, Traxys is for us, for what we want to use it for, the best system. And then we try to find a supplier who can support us to implement the system, and that's where we found Actemium.
Actemium is as a global network organization the specialist in industrial processes. We advise, design, build and maintain these processes with focus on innovation and optimization.
From day one on, we had the right feeling about their support. They know what they're talking about. You always talk to the same people over and over again. They know your process. You build up a relationship there.
In the beginning of the project, after we received the order from Fermacell, I went to Fermacell together with Mathieu to talk about the process with the customer, which results in a functional specification. It's always more complicated than expected.
For example, we built a dashboard in Traxys for our daily morning meeting at 9. A lot of production people are in that meeting, and all the figures that are on the dashboard are automated generated by Traxys. So you have your OEE of the last 24 hours, availability, performance, quality, the square meters you produced, the waste you produced, and also the problems you had in your production line the last 24 hours are on that dashboard.
No, we didn't modify the whole machine, but we modified the PLCs of all the machines to make a connection with our MES system, and we connected our MES system to the existing ERP system of Fermacell.
The final result is that they know every raw plate in the factory with the inline measurement, with the thickness and the humidity and where the plate is, and in the end they have full traceability of every raw plate which ended up which pallet in the factory.
The most important benefit with the system is you have real-time control about what you're doing.
The cooperation with Actemium is good from the beginning. It's a no-nonsense culture. If I have a problem, I know who I need at Actemium. They always help us very quick and good. We trust each other.
We like this way of working because we strive for a long-term relationship with our customers and of course also with our suppliers.
The two best words that describe our cooperation with Actemium: trust and quality.
Looking back at this process, I think it's a journey, because we have to get used to the system and what you can do with it. The organization has to get used to it, and you build this up. So it's step by step you build up the system like it is now. And it is working now the way it should be, and now you see endless possibilities with it.